Tired of achy legs and cold feet? Discover how simple dietary changes can make a world of difference. We'll explore 7 delicious foods that can naturally boost circulation and keep you feeling your best. As we get older, maintaining healthy blood flow becomes even more crucial. Poor circulation can lead to discomfort, pain, and even more serious health concerns. It's important to understand that good circulation helps deliver vital nutrients and oxygen to your legs and feet. This keeps tissues healthy and functioning properly. Our first superfood is fatty fish. Think salmon, tuna, and mackerel. These are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are fantastic for reducing inflammation and preventing blood clots. They also help relax your blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow. Aim for at least 2 servings a week. Next up, we have beets. These vibrant root vegetables are rich in nitrates. Your body converts nitrates into nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels. This allows for increased blood flow, especially to your legs. Enjoy them roasted, juiced, or in salads. Let's talk about citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are bursting with vitamin C. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps blood vessels elastic. The antioxidants in citrus also protect against damage. Enjoy a refreshing glass of orange juice or a juicy grapefruit. Garlic is more than just a flavor enhancer. It contains allicin, a compound known to improve blood flow. Allicin helps relax blood vessels and prevent blood clot formation. Add garlic to your soups, stews, and stir-fries for a delicious and healthy boost. Ginger is another powerful food to include in your diet. It boasts anti-inflammatory properties that can improve circulation. Ginger also helps dilate blood vessels and prevent blood clots. Try adding ginger to your tea, smoothies, or Asian-inspired dishes. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds are great sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting your blood vessels from damage. These also contain healthy fats that support circulation. Enjoy a handful as a snack or sprinkle them on your salads. Finally, we have watermelon. This juicy fruit is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to improved circulation. Lycopene helps relax blood vessels and prevent plaque buildup. Watermelon is also incredibly hydrating, which is essential for healthy blood flow. Enjoy a refreshing slice on a warm day. Remember, diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Staying hydrated is crucial for healthy blood flow. Regular exercise, even gentle walking, can significantly improve circulation. And, of course, avoiding smoking is essential for overall vascular health. Before making significant dietary changes, it's always best to consult with your doctor. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs. A registered dietitian can also help you create a meal plan that supports healthy circulation. They can ensure you're getting all the nutrients you need. Improving blood flow to your legs and feet is within your reach. By incorporating these 7 foods into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards better health. Remember to stay hydrated, exercise regularly, and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Your legs and feet will thank you. Ready to experience the benefits of improved circulation? Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your next meal. Share this video with your friends and family who could benefit from this information. Let's all work together to improve our health and well-being.